Did you know that the way you start your morning can determine the success of your entire day? It's no secret, successful people swear by their morning routines to stay ahead of the game. In this video, we'll uncover the top morning habits of some of the world's most successful individuals and show you how to design a routine that works for you. From energizing workouts to mindfulness practices, these strategies are simple yet powerful tools to unlock your full potential. The science behind morning habits include how consistent routines create mental clarity and reduce decision fatigue, boosting willpower and energy for high performance throughout the day. Here's a quote which says, "Win the morning, win the day." Think of your morning as the foundation of a house. A strong foundation supports everything else you build. Common morning habits of successful people are 1. Waking up early. Apple CEO Tim Cook starts his day at 4:30 a.m., having quiet time to think, plan and focus. 2. Exercise. Oprah Winfrey incorporates at least 20 minutes of physical activity every morning. This boosts energy, mood, and brain function. 3. Mindfulness or meditation. Jeff Weiner, former LinkedIn CEO, practices mindfulness meditation daily. This reduces stress and increases focus. 4. Journaling. Richard Branson uses journaling to reflect and plan. Journaling clears the mind and sets intentions. 5. Prioritizing tasks. Elon Musk plans his day in 5-minute intervals to maximize productivity, helps focus on what matters most. These are steps in creating your perfect morning routine. Step 1. Define your goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in the morning? More energy, clarity, or productivity? Step 2. Start small. Incorporate one habit at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Step 3. Customize your routine. If you're short on time, try a quick 5-minute meditation. Also, if you struggle with focus, journal for 10 minutes to organize your thoughts. Step 4. Stay consistent. Highlight the importance of doing the routine daily, even on weekends. For example, Oprah Winfrey. Her combination of exercise, meditation, and gratitude journaling sets the tone for her day. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson starts his day with a workout at 4 a.m. to maintain discipline and focus. Ariana Huffington focuses on mindfulness and prioritizing sleep for a balanced start. These routines may vary, but the common thread is intentionality. Each of these individuals takes control of their morning to take control of their day. Let's explore tips for sticking to your routine. 1. Prepare the night before. 2. Set out workout clothes, plan meals, and write a to-do list. 3. Make it enjoyable. 4. Listen to music. Use a favorite journal, or treat yourself to your favorite tea or coffee. 5. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins to build momentum. 6. Adapt when necessary. Life happens. Don't let a missed morning derail your progress. Remember, the secret to success isn't just in the goals you set, but in the habits you build to reach them. Which of these morning habits will you try first? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start their mornings right. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your mornings transform your entire life.